Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can view weekly calendar on the iPhone 12 or the iPhone 12 Pro. So first, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, you want to swipe across until you can find the calendar app and open it. So tap on calendar, and if you need to view your calendar in a weekly view, what you can do is make sure you have turned on auto rotation on your device. So don't lock it. Make sure you unlock auto rotation and then rotate your phone sideways. And in here, you will be able to view your calendar in a weekly mode. And this is the week view. And if you turn back here, it will be a monthly view. Now, another thing that you can do is tap on today. And in today, you can see it shows you the whole week, but it shows you only for the day that you have selected. So if I select tomorrow or next day, it will show me the whole event, a whole list of events for that particular day. But if I rotate my phone sideways, then I can view in a weekly view, and that's it. Now another thing that you can do is just go into settings. So in your settings, go down to calendar, and you can also set week view starts on today, so you can switch it off or on. If you switch it on, then on your calendar, if you turn sideways, then the week will always start on today. So you can see today is the 23rd, and it will always start on that day. Otherwise, if we switch it off, then you can see the week will always start on the week by the week number. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.